Yes guys, how are we? We're down today. I'm going to teach you how to clean a car wheel from step one to the finish. So first of all, we're going to use our alloy cleaner by waxing away as a pre-wash. Make sure to spray this everywhere, even your tyres. Let it sink in for a little hot sec and we're going to blast it off. So half of you will be probably thinking the wheel already looks clean, but there's a lot more that goes into it than you think. So now we've done the pre-wash, we're going to start off again. So this method, we're going to use our brush and we're going to get into the wheel arches, should I say, with this one and this one. Let's go. Right, so with the big boy, don't be shy, giving it a big dunk and getting it in there. You can see all the dirt coming out of the wheel itself now, dragging it all out. You can pick these up on the internet for about £5 to £6. Goodbye. Right, so now it's the fun part, time to blast off. Can you see all the dirt coming out of the tyre? That's what the alloy cleaner does. Right, so now this is the part that differs your car washers to your detailers. The Venom iron fallout. This will drag all the iron out of your wheels. All you have to do is spray on, nice and neat as well. You don't even have to mix this product. Get it all over. And we're going to bring the camera a bit closer for you now to show you it in full effect. So I'm going to let you guys in on a little secret. We like to put the snow foam on top of the iron fallout. It helps drag everything out. You're going to see it now. And what we're going to do while this is doing its magic, we're going to go back in with the big boy. What? So now it's time for the smaller big boy. This one gets into all the little bits what you missed, making sure the wheels get the good finish they really deserve. Look at it, nice and easy to get into these little bits. Don't be shy dunking it in. Just for any added on detail, we're going to go around the nuts with the little wheel brush. Make sure there's no leftover dirt. Right. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, it means the world to us if you can hit that button below and hit the subscribe button. We're trying to make it to the big league, so help us out, guys. And now, for everyone that was just about a comment saying you forgot the tyres, we do that at the end. So dunk your tyre brush in. Let's get rid of that leftover dirt on the tyres, giving them that nice fresh finish. Look at that dirt coming up. You can see how effective this tyre brush is. The wheel's fully been cleaned and still we've got dirt coming off. So don't forget to do your tyres. So I nearly forgot. Once the wheel's done and dry, this process helps out putting the tyre shine on and making it last longer. So please guys, do not forget to clean them tyres. Right, so now the tyre's clean, we're going to give it a dry using a microfiber cloth. Plus we're going to dry the tyre so the tyre shine will apply and bond correctly. Right, so for the final stage we're going to apply the tyre shine. A little bit on your applicator and just slowly go round. Make sure you don't miss any of the tyre. And here's another trick of the trade. If you don't like it being shiny, you get a cloth, give it a wipe in, and it gives it that matte finish. So before I show you the end result, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope it was helpful. And if it was helpful, drop a comment in the comments. Thank you guys, see you on the next one. If there's anything else you want me to do, explain anything, drop a comment. The next video will be out soon.